It is another beautiful. It's another beautiful afternoon. It's another beautiful afternoon. You can tell us exactly where you are watching the grassroots media from. Tell us exactly where you are watching the grassroots media from. This beautiful day. We are able to see opposition political parties participating in the electoral process. So you can tell us exactly where you are watching the grassroots media from. Tulefe tuwalebe ba UPND balelanda ti takwa ba opposition. If you balelanda, they were saying there's no opposition in Zambia. Now, if you say there's no opposition, what does it mean? It means something does not exist. But we are able to see the KPF, Zambia must prosper. We are able to see Citizen First. We are able to see Benablan Munduvire. So you can ask yourself, why were they preaching that there's no opposition in political parties? That's a question, my brothers and sisters who are watching on Grassroots Media Zambia and who are watching on JC Joseph Chimba Facebook pages. In game year 2026, Zambia pray for this country. You remember I told you that I saw two groups of people in my dreams. One group was crying, the other group was celebrating. I don't know what they were celebrating and I don't know what they were crying. But I saw a lot of people in the street. All in one, that is up to the people who can interpret that. But I can simply tell you that people in churches which are Zambia, pray for the nation, pray for the leaders, people in all Zambia leaders, because lesa mukufumi hapo echintu puta mcheteke. When you are not preparing, elo lesa fumi hapo chirachini. Chirachi cho mcheteke elo lesa fumi hapo. That's why mukasangeri ingiri ni aba for my breadwinners. Ama breadwinner ebafwa. Ulawi no wafurisha family. Eyo masa mfatio acha mroad accident. Iyo achi safe collapse. Acha safe collapse enough. Why? Barabe ne muchitekera mo baria. Ebo lesa senda. So all in one, what I'm saying is that we need to prepare for 2026 general election. Kwa bulokurwa, kwa bulokupatana. But to be very much aware that we need to pray for our leaders. Kupepela kwa bali mubuteko, kupepela kwa badali kwa opposition. Because epo tuafika hapa ni panembe. Epo tuafika hapa ni panembe. And I want to appreciate the good fight. Then KBF, as I told you last time, that KBF has penetrated Southern Province. You are able to see what is coming out from Southern Province. You'll be able to see what is coming out of Western Province. You cannot underrate, I was telling you that you cannot underrate KBF, Benablan Munduvire. So what is needed? Benablan Munduvire, Kalaba, ngabapuisha processi. Ya baba suminisho kwebati bala imina bonse Benablan Munduvire ndachako ati bamusuminisha Makebi Zulu KBF na Kalaba. They are all powerful. They are good leaders. They are all good leaders. But what is important now, after my nomination ya Kasila, they need to go for a night meeting. In that night meeting, they need to sit down and say, who in the two win my election? Pali Infoninan, Pali KBF, Pali Kalaba, Pali Benablan Munduvire, Pali Makebi Zulu. Ababa very strong. Bali ngeno muga ku night meeting. Gabangia mu night meeting mulya baka sign a document. Ya kulando kwebati inenga taba ine ngachakwati nshabe nkesa abaso. Elo tukwate vyo muntunga umo na running mate. Efere faika. Kwate vyo muntunga umo. Pakwebati bola ikawame. Kulefaika bola ikawame. So we must do good things for the Zambia, for our country. Our interest is for the Zambian people. Our interest is to see that chino echaro chiretekwa na bantu abashakwata urupato taturefuwa echaro chesu ichi chiretekwa na netire mfwa ishina ya tribalism taturefuwa tukade mfwa tiyo kuri tribalism huku we want to make sure one Zambia, one nation comes back the way it was long time ago. We want to hear Zambia is a Christian nation. Na yama funde bale umfati bale retati. Ngamrefu okumana bantu batatu. You have to get a police permit. Ama kuringana kalimbusha. Ati bale fokuleta ama funde. Mu parliament umo. Ngamrefu okumana batatu. Mulingire mwasenda police permit. I can tell you that this country is driving into one-party state. This country is driving into dictatorship. Because if Akainde Ichirema was in opposition, he cannot allow that nonsense. Akainde Ichirema and UPND, they refused Bill 7. Akainde Ichirema and Okwebati, Nganaisa. First thing, if you I'm going to repeal Ifunde cybercrime. Akainde Olwaisa, Aribika kona cybercrime. How can you trust Akainde Ichirema? How can you trust HH? HH is a liar. Alando kwebati inenga na isa. Cybercrime ba PF ibale fokuleta nkesa ifumya. Isa alunda. Alando kwebati inenga na isa ubunga buka ba 50 kwacha. Ubunga bwali 120. Isa ubunga alunda. Alanda tinenga na isa. Fiwa ikaba 12 kwacha. Akainde isa. Fiwa warunda. Everything Joseph is the opposite. So the best thing that we can do. Teku yumfa bakala ba mali kwa tamano. Ba KBF mali kwa tamano. Ba brand mundule mali kwa tamano. Abena makebi mali kwa tamano. Na imwe the big man ba Fred Membe mali kwa tamano. But ichimemba chando kwebati ba mkolwenga bafula. Ubushukuta bucha bwangu. Ketu landa tibonse mutemwa kwa. Bonse mali kwa tamano. You qualify to be leaders of this country, you qualify to be presidents of this country, but there is only one chair. Kulicho mupando umo. So mwonse umingire mwasala omuntu ukwabula okuyiche ukwabula okulwa ukwabula okupatana ukwabula omufimbila no usala fyo omuntu nga umo ela imu masaina ule fo kuba chief justice noyo ule fo kuba minister of justice noyo wala ba minister of agriculture noyo wala ba minister of finance noyo bonse abena Shon Tembo aba they need to come on one important angle ngachako ati mlefu upange chao chiro chie kuntaji. So apapo tuli bonse abena Shon Tembo mwali kwa tamano pauti mupange fipani abena chanda katotogwe mwali kwa tamano bonse mwa politician mwali kwa tamano. But where we are tekula that bonse uti mwaba president pamkumo. Our interest now is to save Zambia from the future dictatorship, to protect Zambia from the future of one-party state. That's where we are now. We make a mistake. All of us we are going to drown. Bonza turenwena. Chwemba chando kwebati. No ushari mwaka bamu. Ela tuwale miebo kwebati. Ubuteko. No ushari mwaka bamu. Nomba nabalanda public gathering na church. So meaning that nakuma church. Kairi church is a public gathering. Ngamulefo kwata echi chozi bweba ku church. Kula senda ma permit. Tuwale mieba tuno ushari mwaka bamu. Ela tuwale misoka. Mwale mulati abena grassroots media. Badi patofi Akainde Ichirema. Yo alalanda. Nomba abu yali mukalepo kama permit. Ngamulefo okukobekela. Sila mukumana mulefo kumikobekela. Mulefo okupwa bashibu kombe baisa family yao kuyaisa no kuyaisa mulingire mu asenda police permit mulela pila twale mieba tino ushari mwaka bamu no ushari mwaka twale mieba. When you see when the government begins to fear bringing ama laws akwebati yale ta frustrate each other, you cannot develop a country when we have got people in the government who are cowards. What UPND is doing under Akainde Ichirema, they are cowards of losing election. And now they want to do all their mingarato. Because they know, if you are 10, you'll be discussing how can change the government. If you are 3, you can sit down and discover the future together to talk about the future. So number what will happen is that they will scatter you. But police in Misangala Guikala, Mulify Guikata. That's the country you wanted. We share. If you have whatever in 2021. I don't know if to the land. No share Mwakabamu. I am a funde bale panga. Tekulanda tibale pangira ba opposition. Nanga bale pangira bena grassroots media. Bale pangira ne mobe ne ba pastor. Ba bonse ba prophet ba priest. Bonse imwe. Mweba for okupwa no okupa. Bonse mweba na be school ma student. Kai mwarabu na kwati mwalichengera. When you are at the invest of Zambia, they are Mwaika Rabari 10, Mwaika Rabari 5. Quick at you. That is why are you seated there? I am a funde. Eva Adana Zambia Bakene. If you are next coming back a undes. This is the same nonsense that was happening with Bakaunda. Bakaunda ba vigilante. Bale ikata abantu. Ngabasango kweba tina mwikala. Aba rumendo mulenda batatu. Kwikata. Why mulenda batatu? Because Kaunda became a coward of losing an election. Kaunda became a coward because he was thinking like, who do you want to say? Who do you want to say? But let's discuss it. When a government when you have people in government who are cowards of losing an election, this nonsense you are able to see. And Takwakadati no police. Takwakadati no bonan. Kai no ningu pirwa kumo. Takwakadati no police na mutamuri mukaraenda na ID number. You want to follow police. Number of police which make this case up. Now mikala batatu. Arabane uko alinso kete kwa fure bantu. Ela kwa alishuka tu ale mieba. Tu ale mieba ti akalekeresha, ekanisha. Ba UPND bale mama baka. Ayama funde bale leta. Tema funde aba opposition beka. Na imobene ba ruri. Mukalati la ngaba mikata. Mwa isanga ma police. Na yona wa UPND, aruwa wa UPND kwisa. Boma ilipe UPND. Boma ilipe chani. Bane uko alinso kete kwa fule bantu. So number, the only way we can stop this nonsense is by these leaders. Abama leaders abakuruwa. Abakweteko amaka. Kweba tibaka lamba. Utibaisa pamba bombela chapamu. Nombanga chakweba balanda chopa nduna lipi 100 pini inebo kalaba pandu na lipi 100 pini inebo KBF pandu na lipi la endalama inebo Fred Membe na lipi endalama inebo Mudoro na lipi inebo Shitalo Churufya era bakapona aba bonza bani kupirwa kumo. When one party state will come abena Shitalo Churufya bakashima abena Rubinda abena Kambwiri bakashima tabakala umfika chikwali abena Kambwiri na yenga masalaries mule fulaya ba civil servant tapaduka la milanda kaingo walanda pa masalaries yenu kuikata bakala landa tu inciting the civil servants ebo bakala landa ndatu walanda kati imo balundira kwenda ba civil servant badechula nishibaza mu kuikata oluchero waya kuchimboka ila tapaka bo wakumilandira kwa civil servant isho ayenda masalaries mule fulayo na mule fulama 1 pini gama 2 pini ashala pama panani pama pesi aye no mwaka la fola kai abena kamwiri bakala tina abena GPM amure mfuba bachita ala ifanga batuikata mule kalazi ala ngone ba civil servant momule chula no kuchula because mwendela mashiro ni 30 days ola mwakwata endalama ishwendela mwakwata ishosho mule fola ela kukesa dictatorship ela kukesa one party state na ina wine kale kokulanda kai lichimemba chando kweba ati neti pele nkula chila tusha mukesa chula nabana benu mukesa chula elo mwikalanda tapada baletweba because kale twambo kwimba kale twambo kumstadi vice ukwa linsoketa kwa file banda na likwebere taburu hapo so elo ngachakweba kweba tina ba member of parliament aba abe ngaba le sign if ya kusaina abuka filo chokwa tina apena ambo kusaina alesa nvetu ya kusaina kuma parliament they will cry because you know what happens balabonza ba member of parliament abe ngita balebwela aba member of parliament obo mkwete abe ngita balebwela balebona and now ngabapona I am a funde baleleta the laws that they are passing they will cry because one day they would like to bounce back. What will happen? Kai obo chile pili mulano mbapa chakwebo kwebati I am a funde nga baleta Akwebati ngamwa batatu kusenda permit ngamulibanga mwasenda permit. That is dictatorship. This is pure dictatorship. Takwakabati nimwe bashikofu. Takwakabati nimwe banani. Mbona ubuteko bwali milanga fyonse. Bale ikata bashikofu. Bale yapatia itipa katolika. Batwala ba polisi kusala mageti. Bale milanga dictatorship efyo iromba. Bale milanga efyo ba ikata aba opposition uku ikata. Nomba ababa guys abanga tulebeba. Don't abela makebizuru. You are not intelligent. Tamuli abachenjera kuri ubuteko. Bakana ba tamuli abachenjera kuri ubuteko. Bena friend member. Tamuli abachenjera kuri abama guys. These people, this is your last chance. If you make a mistake, you the opposition, you fail to come together. You are crucifying yourselves. This is pure suicide if you don't come together. Because na imoto makalalanda. Ama political party yakashima. Takwakabe political party areas. Takwakabe multi-party democracy. Imo mwaba bomba kumaini. Baka laisa fyo lucholo bapoka maini. Bapera abasungu. Takwakabe okulanda. Ama godi maini ayoko musango kuma godi maini. Baka lapoka fyo ngani chakana isa bapera chakana. Chapwa. Kiwa chakana leta koshingo ko chapwa. Takwakabe wati mwabale mitafya kuma godi maini. Number what monga ba winner because these people they don't care. If they are able to chase you kuma gold mine in a crucial year ya kwebati ni crucial ya my election bale mitamfi ya kuma gold mine no banga ba winner chikabashara arabane uko aliso getakwa fule bantu apatu Africa mweba kuma gold mine the time ya kuvota fukweleni kuma gold mine mweba lipafimana te istaba mbusa kiresa mweba Christian province mweba demo kuipa bakapanga marati na ngwimbeba de ya kuvota tendi ya kutete na mwika mulecheza ichalo chile pilibuka chinuwe chalonga cha pilibuka chino takwakabeti ni pastor mwalimu wene ula pastor wakopa beoti bali kata ali ya kujere ade kano kulanda ula pastor ule Archbishop of Lusaka bale mweba transfer bale mutwala kudeki bali chino kushibati bakatolika bali kwa tenda lama bakatolika teti bakano kushira Archbishop motoka because Archbishop emu ino wandalama in that diocese nishinge ndalama esho bakatolika batulira nishinge ndalama bakatolika batulira shikofu nishinge ndalama bakatolika batulira shikofu ndalama meshingi sana. But what is happening hapa bakatolika bali talala ama Pentecost bali batala ulia umbinani ulia prophet ulia bali mulesho uta prophesy ulia prophet ulia bali mulesho uta prophesy. Number if they can stop a prophet to prophesy, if they are able to arrest and take that bishop kuna ni kudeki, you think you people you are very intelligent. Ishoshi nenda mamulefu raba amedi ishoshi nenda mamulefu raba garden boy tapakadaba kubilandira ko mkonda ngenka mushesha ko balishali kalama forest tamwabe nama because when we speak ukwali nzogeta kwa file bantu bane apepo tuafika hapa apepo tuafika te pa kwangala aka ngamulefu akwangane ngamulefu amule angala ngamulefu aya mule angala mula kwati limbi tatwa limipata kali mula kwati ngatulelanda limbi twalipata akainde echilema aleleta mafunde aya kuchusha mwebena Zambia because ama leaders aba they come and go ngachakwa bachasaina yabali funde again pauza chifuna chiya just to go to parliament it will take us another time but ngatulelanda mule kwati tatwa kwa tamano because we are Zambian seated there. Ela bakasa leta mafunde 18 hours njira mwingira mukesa papa kaje amafunde abaleleta bakesa landa fyata na panomba uri onse 18 hours ali ngira abamunganda nabakashiba kona abana kapale fe mukesa chita pantu nechikesa twale myeba tichikesa chikeshira onse ebe twale myeba nomba vya twale myeba tichikesa chikeshira onse kabia ni mule tantama na imo mwema ule imo mwema tantama mu street mwema ule baba tantama mu street na imo momuli ngabasanga namu mwema ule muri batatu na mutandama mu street na mufula kuikata kamata nayo wansala bamu twale miba tamwale umfwa elo twale Mr. Advice tamwale umfwa mwale mwa TV bana grassroots media tule pange chongo na mwema ule muri kada twale la maneno kwa toto ama ule na mutandama mu street na ma miniskirt ngana mutandama batatu kuikata. That's an unlawful assembly. When you have got a government which is scared of losing election, infula pakuya epo yona ulefisabo. Infula pakuya epo yona ulefisabo. Tuale Mr. Advice tuale landa. Ababa ntoko bale tutwala nkudi one party state. Ababa ntoko bale tutwala nkudi dictatorship. Most of you mwema Zambia ni mulekala. Mulekala kumandala mwikala. And you think like no, fika ikontrola. In other countries, when the government is doing nonsense, people must come out and speak. How do people speak? You need to protest. Because it is in the constitution to protest. When the moment protest. That's the only way you can protect your future. That's when you can protect unforeseen circumstances of the future. You need to protest. But because you are cowards, muri ala muishiba balama mwacho wandole mbati mwachuleni by Ilunga Vincent. I blocked you. You remember that you were not accessing my page because I blocked you. Yesterday I was unblocking about 2,000 people. I blocked you because of your behavior. And if you continue again, Ilunga, I'm going to block you. You look at the way you look. You know, if you're Monica, you have been supporting UPND. There is nothing that has changed in your life. UPND mwa wina election. Ama supporters by UPND. If you are change hapo, if you mwa tukwena, life yenu yalichinja. Ima UPND, mwale chula, MPF mwale la tubunga $120 na. Number, ama salaries, tamwa kwa tama salaries. You are just a cadre. Ubunga wafika 300 kwacha. You are suffering more than the way you are suffering in PF. Because in PF, mwaleshi to ubunga 120. Lelo mwaleshi to ubunga 300 kwacha plus. Meaning that you are suffering more. Mwaleshi ta fuel PF 17 kwacha. Lelo we are buying fuel more than 27 kwacha. Fuel yari fikina almost 35 kwacha. You have suffered more. So sometimes we should think like Zambians. Ifema tulela ndede kupata kainde chilema na ngukupata UPND apatu Afrika kulandira kwecharo, whether you are UPND, whether you are opposition, tulinge tulete abantu abakwatamana abalabwesha obunga abalabwesha fiwe babwe bati bonse tuleikuta tenenga la ikuta neka ubunga nga bwachipa bwaba 130 na 150 na mwe bene ba UPND mukalanja ba UPND tamwakwata po supermarket yakwe bati mukasanga obunga na buchipa ba UPND tamwakwata po filling station yakwe bati fiwe yali chipa. You are suffering like us. All I we are even better off because to let me land like mweba ngimuli nchushi. Ana ngimuli nchushi mwechura. How many people are UPND? But aba chebo sama lejo kola za ba UPND. Bali leka, bali ya mujo na Citizen Face, bali ya mujo na Brand Mondubire. Mwema pati ngabale area, bali aba UPND lejo kola bali. Ngabale area. Ngabale area. Ngabale area bali. Mulenjo okwe bati ntiba mujo na opposition. If a person can resign from a ruling party to go and join the opposition, that is a useless government. UPND is a useless government. It has got no use to the Zambian people. This government must go. At India HMS government, UPND is a useless government. Zambian people had hope that Zankara 50 kwacha. Zambian people had hope. Fewer Zankara 17 kwacha. Zambian people had hope. Fertilizer Zankara 250 kwacha. Zambian people had hope. Fewer ikachipa. Things will be cheaper. But this government is a useless government which has got no future for the Zambian people. So 2026, unomwa kao tuwalela ndala ufika. Ndemi eva mwebena Zambia, teishte ya kuchensa ino. Teishte ya kudauta. Don't give a chance to the UPND. You give another chance for UPND. Tamwakalalanda. And if you make a mistake, this is not about Chimba, because my name is Chimba, because I'm telling you, mwalimu nefe mwachude kuri road shedding. Ewa baba guys taba kwa Tanson, bale ta road shedding. If they are able to export, electricity, you the Zambian people, you are living in darkness. Do you think this government care for you? If you are in the Ichilema's government, they are able to export electricity. In Namibia, aba kuna Namibia wale kwa Tamaraiti. Mwema Zambia mule lala insala. And you want to support Hakainde Hichilema. We need to retire Hakainde Hichilema this year. UPND must go. Apata tulechensa. Na mulechensa. Mwikarandaja tuwale landa. This is a serious matter. This is a serious matter of changing the government. This is a serious matter. Nikuisa ba PF mwa mfilati Hakainde na butuka mchalo. Nikuisa mwa mfilati Gadi Nkombo na butuka mchalo. Nikuisa mwa mfilati Cornelius Muitwa na butuka mchalo. Umuteko kwa Hakainde Hichilema tapali ulelanda. Tahari hali butuka wale landa uya. Ba PF bali tatoraleti. Ale landa. Where is Daddy today? Bena imwana wa mwamba bali butuka. Abena JJ bali butuka. How many people have run away to go into a foreign land? What? Because of poor leadership, because of poor governance. When people are fighting for, we are fighting for democracy. We make a mistake, all of us we are going to be done. Because by UPND by the opposition, tatua mwenepo, by PF ukula senda manani, ukula senda ama sisi aba member of parliament. Badi apa, nibanga balusa ama siti. Tatua mfule kwa tiba PF, basenda siti ya kwa Gadi Nkombo, basenda siti ya kwa Cornelius Muitwa, basenda siti ya kwa Tahari, member of parliament, basenda siti ya kwa Kabusu. We never heard about that. What they did to these people, they never came to fight poverty. They never came to improve the lives of the people. They came to bring poverty and fight people. And poor leadership, that is poor governance. So, apatu Afrika nishita ya kuikatana. Mweba na support Brani Mundubile. Mchiteni encourage, abena KPF, abena Kalaba, abena Makebi Zulu. Bonse, ikade nipamo. Mula mfwezo ndelondorola. Ndela ndo kweba tinshita tu Afrika po, ya kuchinjo muteko, and tulefua violence. Mwishita tu Afrika mo. Let us come together and speak one common language of change. Pakweba chichoche esu chino, chikabe charo, ichakweba tibosu tukalegu kushati, tuwalikwete democracy. Baka uba, mena FTJ, tabatu mpire pakuleta mauti pate democracy. Tabatu mpire. Iyi democracy mule angasha, ngayaya. Kukabe one party state, bonse mute mwakanalanda. Mwakanainda ni nsala mkachula. Because in that that's why in the band of grassroots media, White House endorse president. If I endorse anyone when this I'm a politics, you can laugh. Now what I internet